Abusua Palago Mufasa achi Palago abeke kana adwankyerɛ Kevin Kobedi Taylor papa ne nyina fa nsɛm a Kevin Kobedi Taylor ɛkeka kyerɛ Kumasi Adum PZ Boys after sɛ egya tɔ hɔnom ɛma hɔnom nyina hyeyɛ no ɔde sɛ Kevin Taylor bɛdidi wɔn atam basaa ɔbɛdidi wɔn atam paa yie oyi ne yam eyi na kuma mu ɛbɛdidi wɔn atam he insulted them with passion na sɛ tɛmi deɛ ɛkɔɔ so no ana Palago Mufasa sɛ dɛbi Only Kevin Taylor saa ma na nke kana dwonkyerɛ obi a wasa serious no mfa no huni to nso abɛ match no boot for boot na nsɛm de onua keke bi akyerɛ Kevin Taylor pa aha ipenya block media mesra so any di mo oba like video no ada ma obo subscribe button so na ba click bell notification na connect for latest update na ba kyerɛ wadwon da ma me ɛwɔ comment section mesra so baso a no hye video mo nua so enya bi ahwɛ. It was only 2 weeks ago and I do period blue light eja to ho no ma ho nyina hye first say it's for try impossible best but to no be eja no hye at least omutimi dum ya de ba time om do less eja pade bebre na de condemn ne nyina asay after that we said donations started say e cost amount for we na started donations ekoi even na ikura na me video yi no ma din ka bro video am kire mu say billionaire Richard Nema quiz ekopi on ekoma almost 1,000 bags of cement and 5 billion old Ghana, that is 500,000 new Ghana cedis. Donations here. Baby Nana Ekoya Makohine, Ashanti Minister, 86 billion and Ekoya. Napu Ekomom 1 billion. Canada Japan Komom 1 billion. Emma or Canadian from Mensa across Komom 1 billion. It's not donations are called Eko to Kevin Tereso to Kasasen called Door my Concon idea. Not assem at to be say at least. Then could be expected to say your Canadian men said to me donate 1 billion at least I got Kevin Tereso to show BB. But interestingly and shockingly, Kevin Taylor ran a platform so ADD woman tembasa.
Tantifoni bi ye mmoa. Wogina PZ boton ade na mo de so akodi twe. Mo de akodi ejantrafo gonofo. Kwasiafo ejantoma aban na enkotam sika every Bank of Ghana fambrɛ. Wo nana na otam asase ne ma wo no. Wo nana na obutu oba so kɔ no ho koji sika. Kwasiafo abuofunu. Kwasiafo munye sika o PZ na na kɔtɔ red. Maya mo dross mu kan mu nko school. De muni ma ne sɛ ye de ya ton chains akɔtɔ red anom. Kwasia oje sɛ Ghana nyina ni Kumasi PZ. Mu hu nyina John Johnson mu hu bon Johnson. Moi santifom brantie ni bi eni na MPP use mo jimi mo lucky say jane to ho na mo nda ye ke be hyem sem emmoa mo jejeje PZ na mo ton fake belt fake jeans mo wiawia nkofo tutu nkofo bag mo wia na mo akoto red ni jantrafo o pa aban si case store na wo store mo bi mo jimi PZ aban dia na ba omi akwasi akoto cement abrewa ko na ho kwaji cement ni bi so so e ade na mo nkom na ho kwaji cement emmoa sa santini a wejimi no o de se cobra nko 50 wejimi up
Wanya one see the kura to kuru de ban koma wo but o say di wo matem na that dem dey we na my bro videos bebrebe amount for bebrebe na abe reply no akeka o madwena kire no but Palago Mufasa o say there be o ntimi hwe Kevin Taylor man anga kana dwetire obi a wata ase we say no fa no huni or moral criticism and also he is not above insult e je ne Palago Mufasa so abe match Kevin Taylor boot for boot ono so akeka na dwetire ne papa
Kevin Taylor u Jimmy do wate je Jimmy no wote o do wasem ko asante hinu so bi ho a opem so a be jiwonsem wa Jimmy a che ma hwe saa de bia the suspect na too much wote da me ka che no so u Jimmy no obi antimi ntia wa ha ade am de be ye onanse na be jiwonsem kwase Jimmy u mu hwe na wote wo no kwase ya wo size na otumfo wo do wa so obi a obedi na tem wo de Jimmy na etisi usu a wo se de bia asem ne wo ye na asa agro na midi this trip so many brown be jiwonsem me gina kwase o katatie kura ntimi save uni chasi ni wate u Jimmy na aka sa hini na ye de yankura de na wade anima be twitwi fom u Jimmy na ye ka wontie no ade ba kwa emiya no say Jimmy a u Jimmy nyina obi related to NDC me sra mo mpanyimfo no monka bibi nkyere no NDC mpanyimfo no onya Jimmy no say o ya de in the name of NDC na montimi kankyere no me sra mo ani di mu a NDC mpanyimfo Kevin Taylor amani nya Jimmy no eza me tisi ni so ahon me kwase anya broni ba na anti no okromu a obetimi ni bibi ni ba atena kwase nyina ti America se wo be ma wo ye lazy ene person ni broni kwatena kwase obetimi ni bibi ni ba atena ana bibi ni ba na won ne ti aka obetimi Jimmy say Jimmy na de bia wo Jimmy wo online no ko wo si abonten kura dada wo de nya Jimmy no wo de besi kwase Jimmy. This is not about politics. I must tell you guys. Jimmy na wo Jimmy no. Won ka che no nyae. Obe ye o policy aye. your opim so ne asante for efri ohefa utrim ne wano kwasia jimi nipa fun bi ana ade mu nipa fun na cancer fun wo de nya jimi no na tisi so na abon says why ya ache ya hwa why ya ache de bi amanfo na say na palago akoyi jimi tun ka hwe wo de ja me de attention ba so a be jun sem wo de video we hwe na fa su nyansa se no wo nya jimi na akoso ase obedi asante for atem na ne sa ne manema ne bi ho ade am de be yo na be jun sem ro sa account wa be kaso wan ni so na ebi ni so on sa ase wo tan wan afam no wo tan wan afam no kwasia jimi.
Hey, Kevin Taylor, Uma minute tell what? Uma me cast in Kevin Taylor. Quasi a penny to so Jimmy. Quasi a kitchen out on your podcast. Ah, Asante for Otoria, oh diatem. Wait to me. Only Asante for Nipa 2 million NDC. Asante region, Nipa 2 million NDC. Nipa Cray NDC was Asante region. Omudos of Crow Kipos. Blue light went to me and boy. All the kitchen out your podcast. Jimmy, I'm blocking out there. I know your podcast now, Jimmy Wonsa. One boy be over the blue light at them. Over the blue light boys at them. Over the pieces boys at them. What put them?
And now, Mugugu stores more. Moses stores prekese to say, I didn't fee.
Wait to me on boy, ma. Jimmy no. One my dear blue light, any pieces I am Okuma's mine. One my dear pieces I am Okuma's mine. I am a sentiment. One of them for extra time. All because of peasants. One of them for a Japadie. All because of blue light. One master in Crawford high school. Hold on, go Edma. Now it's kitchen. And the do matem. Also that's Santa for.
Now what the name dying? Adaya, Yadi Mubia Santifo into young Crassi for.
Jimmy, say NDC a position I was here with. Next 4 years. NDC equal petitioner, Kevin Taylor, every say, oh my young, he was Santa region. Yes, said to man and Aquasian were drug, Ocean were drug, Massa. NDC and Yedo, waiting to do. We are Quasia, we are Bois, we are Quasini, Untiagumano, Oman, Kevin Taylor, come boo. Ah, also what Jimmy Pa.
Master Jomune, over Conaboys and Quasia, who Phoebe and Namjomo.
Opia. Baby Ashin, and Crofo a donation. Cabomwe. What do you want, Bomo? Or the kitchen? And I would do matter. Oh, Cassatium. Oh, your Cassatia. Oh, your Asantiman, Asantihene Cassatia. And in the next 4 years, I better no matter what my this game. Sally put 2 million near lose woman in the Naka 500k. 500k as unfortunate Dawson. Asante region a majority in war. Omunakra, Asante region for going to my people. Na NDC Lucy meboa na den we Jimmy ahokra na ke hia dom ha Asante region kra na NDC for kra hia mo no cause omokra na trese omanto oba na NDC wini no Jimmy ma me twa what ka nsu nyansa omye bre aduma omane e too much omane e den onya santini onya fantini o Jimmy wo sa kwasia yas gede fantini bi atem ade no for you go ba wo de wajim no do
Santimam kwa na kodura Fancy New Town Angunaga ewo ho ne no mu nyina che abranche ya wogina he wo ya angunani people ne maame free denu abranche we ne papa free aye odo o papa ne tu bata free aye fantemam mo betena aboase Asante for hospitality nti e na abranche we ye nipa expose him more fire. Obi abranche o maame efri denu o maame ene ye de o maame picture be kire ne ye de ni nuanom picture kire said o de nkrofo maame ne o mo papa no besi wo twa o mada pan ye de ntwa o mada pan na me ye bebusu an abusuafo question say eti de mo nua no ye wo kroma de mo ba ne ye wo kroma so obi de mo picture to no ye mo se bia ntike be mo de Dabi you da yini ma me France abeba ho you from meba you we na sa Obi etimi tena o makwasiam pene we di dia Asantefo atem na o mo dwonso na hwe wo hu a wo di gina ho yi a etu ni pizza temra nche o mabobra wa na o mo wo dwonso ene ye de wo papa efi a wotim be kire wo papa himfi ye de be kire yin a kire wo papa esere Samira ba omia so meto ka ama no wo papa esere Samira wa omia so mra mesi na himfi ma kwasia we etimi di asantefo atem weyo adie ye gina as a baller bed as a baller so sumina so nioma o di asantefo atem eno eye menuanu mu bi de ni braba kofi enkrofo lusu omunioma no sa nipa na lusu omunioma na has now become a victim of abuse from kwasia say aside say o ma lusu omunioma. Our yawa or mofem, or ye callous, he is evil, he doesn't have any boundary. Like a nipa and your mercy. Get to imagine the kind of people the yawa, what you say more, you shut up. So, and beside that, so omobone ene say omosi mutaka de mo abro omanye kadeche de mo akọ meme kon me individual and me use my platform and the organize sika and mo mutaka ko say o government official and mutaka your omunua omoni mutaka na tene kumase mutaka your omunua it is mutaka de mo aba na so anfa sika nka ho okodu ho no kura no empanifo ho no obi ankasa okodu anoko ne nam wa no boye no mo ye no mo se empamu one consulting penifo no the entrom cast empemo ne say waba na sa asemato ye ya ene ye nhia busa ye e de na ha ye aban wo mo bi o de aman oba ya o titi yet said ye flood victim na de ye fi ahye eno no enso nyini fa o na so yakosisi tent na kwa ne asisi tent ho a refugees them eto mo ye no say emo nko ade ye mpe then kwa no hand side. Does that warrant the kind of insult that this baller bed of an idiot let your shad you you and the young phobic dead. You are not phobic, you are not necessarily because and no would it. And you see, funny enough, what you said, you are not necessarily. And we support this foolishness. Minister for Chieftaincy and the culture, national security. Lucky Ayaya no Kroma and Sasante for the Nina Danekasa. And the biggest tribe in this country. It's the Muya Nomka Somberita, Eliative physically. It would be so many Abacoye. At Yabano. At any Ayan. Nagobi, Yankora Kwasia winning the Chisomabra. I will know a nipa bobra a chain papa. Ne papa betna a year obwasi. A petition be about gaslight with me. And I'll call with me. Yanko papa him fee. Yanko papa him fee. We are to an Amina, your prince, Amina, your this. Of papa him fee and you go. Of papa him fee. Of Kevin tell papa him fee. Me come in some steer, I come in money. Kevin tell papa in Fieni. Quasi and penny or two didn't pattern. Or papa in Fiena, a primary headquarters of papa in Fieni. Kevin Teller, I would did in the pattern of papa in Fieni. I yelled one in Fiena, and I'm your prince, and I'm your prince Lenny. Princess Obey. Baby, or did you, papa, when would you know what did in the pattern? No. Kevin Teller, papa in Fieni. And money. Kevin tell a papa in few. I would know what did in the part of Govi and ye. A quawe ne did yes and the water. And the engine on the area. Quasia say. Quasia to say. Or pine fear no near draw what said yes nine. Wait. Or pine fear. Comfort ye be a him fear crowd with Gina. Comfort ye be a him fear fetch away 1 million times. To papa Bobrano. Na me ya himfi mi fra himfi o papa ka me tell papa himfi ayodo himfi ni na we dey did in the party yanko obuase ne yanko hwefia na otimu obuase kwase ase na mon kan kore Kevin Taylor Amatela ana edidi asantefo atem ana ye menuanom anwonafo de ye menuanom not necessary we dey obet me attire and the first dey open bia Obi yanko ni no papa adi abra na papa bo Obi yanko ni yanko hwe eye se wo benya ne omufia no motimu oboase a ene Kevin Taylor dwado no mu na kwase to wei Where did the Asante Fortem? Where? And what did the Asante Fortem? Fane papa car otwie or papa car otwie obi auction car president go for car wa krama health ministry for and wa papa koto auction car 2015 car na car no cry was way back 2008 no papa koto we or papa fie ni o Kevin tell papa fie na akwese mponchibu no enso am ni pa bia asase su di department Kevin tell papa car otwie ni ne papa Range Rover ni where the timi tra wodi pizza te fuatem obi ade we you o papa fie o timuni o papa ka wo otwini saka we president go for time no krama Ghana health yes service o mo ba ye joma ma mbai na o papa no o mo sorry am se Kevin Taylor ye pipi no ye da ko ye pipi ye beti o papa na anu asem a wo kasa fe de ye hunu kanea no enti ye ko MPP Kevin Taylor papa na ma me nyina ye NDC fo Kofi ya baba meba oba pesere ke yi Samira ba omia ka ne ade nyina ye baba wo bia kwase awe na Kofi fa Kevin Taylor mame a picture bra but ye ethical so we won't show her face ya cover nanim for a reason na me busane mame ne question say to mame said de ultimate tina ho e ma oba ne timi de nkrofo mame no mbesi ho etwa o mada pa no eti won ka be ofe na kwasi ato sisew a o maame afi bi yesan boga o maame di afi bi yesan tuma ana ko studio afi bi yesan tuma e ko studio ko twa picture that means na daka mu tuma papa ni afi bi yesan ana wotra odidi nkofo atem Kevin Taylor o ba me ko ye photo shoot o studio afi bi yesan no de koy wey adado achi ne do hunu no when they did Asante Fortem no ni nua moni ni nua boys mienu ana o mo gina o maame nchen well na ti mo amu nua no kwase ade a wode manfo abusua na ye ka ne ne ka ne chena ada Kevin Taylor de obi abusua beba begu social media bio ye de ono so abusua beba begu na Ghana for don baby o ma ye ade be no ade mo asab ye so so kroma asa ade be no akọ fi de be no Asante Fortem Johnson na wo nua no agina ha nti wo mu hwan na two pizza te for no mo gina ho ni nua boy ni Stacy and me no kasi wagura wo man ni mu state security na ebo ne ho bai kwase ato sei e wa bra che so odidi Asante Fortem e boy NDC ni nua boy ni very nice gentleman very nice gentleman and we are not unethical so we are not going to show their face the way you have been doing but we are questioning them say say won we are no the omo ye ne eye efe Kofi ade be no afa yen hwe Kevin Taylor yire ne kura wo me yaso nkwa didi a chese da bia no didi e ma atem na we say Italian money box 7 preduasa o twa ne yire ti free ho a ne yire nie when what me didi man for yire no atem tam yire si wodi kwase ato wey Nana Flowers. Where was original house in Tomani Frano? So when we were court no so that made Mr. Manso, you bet you are. We insist. I don't go court on with him. Coffee? Nayrini. I be what did in the party. Kevin Taylor papa ni jina ho. One of the medical show name so. Or my many nuanom dear. I want to give them the benefit of the doubt. Say I will born in one won as sebi. Nanti sa dia kama me de obey nje ye. E de ba no. Na Asante Fortem Johnson. Wo nua wo yira wo jina wo dia na say Johnson che. E de ba no.
Ghana ni ba ben obi tum den no.
E di man for Tracy watch Tracy success. E sakwa dia yiro dinis and we accept this foolishness. Yanko ti o papa ne so wo sere Samira ba omia so wo meto ka anche yanko nkoti yentie no yentie o papa no Possible. On say, o papa no play game bi obi o papa ni play game bi o be sere Samira Bawumia de na wodi kan lay foundation eti omo madam we de o here o na omo se me koka o be ya o me omo se o ka no onye ya o boa o be sere nso to ka ma no Kevin Taylor as what Samira Bawumia si wo se do si di na temo yenti Osra aye Samira Bawumia so onto minibus mechene na nanu mutu kwan a omo de akọ we na ne baji di ni patem we o ade we ana ne baji di ni patem osra sere 40 sei gobi na ne baji di ni patem Kevin Talent mi to minibus kwa ma ne papa ayasa ne papa ebe sere minibus na wo wie ni wanwie o apane se sere Samira Bawumia so mesi na o meboa na mani sina yimfie yenkonkotie ade ba no afe mo kai ayi ayimfie na bere kire mo no gobi also papa na atu na num tuo se ayimfie no kodu akire wa aye poso it was Samira Bawumia so meboa na mani sina yimfie and we bet me didi ni patem ni pa bobratem na mo tikro mo ahe no ade ba no yenti
it's nothing home to all about the boy what a woman
or Seresi Amrabe Bonemo on Pabron sign, short one, and Chebianu where we, it's Samira Bawumia Buano. And Samira Bawumia to Woma Kevin Taylor to meet the Nisiwo, and Shana the person of a person and this woman in Fima. Are you mad? Yet me at Nako Mama Kwasia where who do be a hostage. The dear Santa Fatem. And you are bound a bedroom in the water in the Kwabuchi, and no other Kwabuchi, so no need travel experience. It will become called South Africa, and this will call South Africa Kwasia. And wait, where's why any part? Where's why any pow? It didn't part. And this is for say, or Munchi Bida, Kevin Taylor and a day, and your mama about power. 2016 year use social media. And they could follow the power. Like Kevin Taylor and Ambola so. Video na muino. Tell me you use social media. Kevin Taylor about social media and I want to make and I will share Kevin Taylor. I'm some more yare. Kevin Taylor on social media away. 2016 time my campaign me for. No one Ambola so na report. Bola bet. We sumina so nipa. We bola so petisi. Na kwasia we didi asante foatem and ye nyina ya din na ye de voice of conscience obia ye din akwaya asante fonti akoye ni ala tribe ki ati omutumi na hwioma no afọ omsori omsi Kevin Taylor ye MPP ni onye MPP ni ne onye MPP bi china ye konko tie ni papa efia ye wu no a ne papa ayodo da bi omto omaba ko NDC ne papa ye NDC ni mapa na dan for panel Lotte Jacobs Yango ni goti. O pano kase yango ni goti. O papa na kan fante kasa. Obi o se kwa man kase in fact na ya ayo. Fante ni kasa na ya ayo wa na yesa ni ayira. We didn't know the way. Afedi ye hunu kwa so ka na ne ya yimfia wo penti. All of a sudden was say na yentie no.
In fact, sister na ko na do. Na fie.
Kobi. Kevin Taylor papani. Ama Taylor papani. A was rene and Kwamanga se ne ya ayo. Just omo to abama NDC. Eti afedo omo hunu kwan ba fie. Kevin Taylor papa na neka. Enya me na meka. Ti Kevin Taylor wanya NDC ni ne. Onya pipi ni ne. Enya pipi ni china. Onya NDC ni. Na o ma me fridenu. Eti Kevin Taylor didi eya asandefo atamu a. Eya ye nua hunani a wo betena eye eyo boase. Na asandefo pe enipa awowo gye enti. Ye boa ne papa ma ne ye wo boase. Na ene wo ko ni kurumo. Na oya hunani ofiri denu. Na ne papa firi eye odonti. Wo se nda de wo de asandefo beto chankuruam. Edi di atama ne ye nua no mo de. Ti Kevin Taylor or personal agenda. Or time no ye nua no bi de tan asandefo no. Oka ho. Wanya santini ne wanya santini china asantefo na je ne tena oboase ne papa da roma Kevin Taylor kronfobia ni wa o chen no na mesa wo some information ni go e prepa mu no se be ka kira mo se sa kwase awedi menya no ho bre wadi besi wo 2 years ago na menka na odidi matema bola bed ente se hwe be ma ayi ne na bo etimi didi asantefo atem boy we didi asantefo atem eti mu amakama no atum mu amo she because eye modde no se so koto saboa ne si unua so a ye kasa sore ye so ye kasa so me so me de me ka kire mu ne me ka kire mu kina sa otan no ye de tan asantefo no se to aso a national security chieftaincy minister mo nyina munim di esi the end result and na hwetan a eda eye bonofo ene asantefo nte e bo abra yen kai ba bia bono ne asantefo ko ntokwa na na do ma hene nioma wo yenti bianca wasem ene kwado wakan ko du so bekum nipa the deep seated hatred for Asantis by do ma hene anu o yusu enuanom bonofo o de o mo ye ono an personal agenda na me ka kire me kan se me kire no na do ma hene ye aduanani mesia gya hene amanse edumasa aduanefo ho ka ho etimi hu de se me papa but na do ma hene de na wa year over the years no senkolan kaiwo amodi mbonia wa gende wo ye no Ishiranka munyina so what na say na dia branch we all continuous abuse on the people of Asante precisely so na say you da let your conscience be your guide so if say me kokuma sese ya kovi me hu me nua ko na ye me se ma man kran na me nim se otan ni so deep say hu bi da na kuma se fo yen kura se fo na kuma se fo yen kwase fo na kuma sa yawo famo ko Germany o mototo water closet be fe na bia mumu bi ne nempoano what da so bu yesi enkura sefo amo me kansem kro ni mo ana me sese akoye si ye kansem keke but if it continues the likelihood that national security when in your mayasa mofa now look at even social media when you open social media look at the kind of insult that goes on there and national security is not concerned ana mo sa asantefo na mo titi ye US no a mo ye na me ye UAE New York asante hine ana me eti ada what they say US emra ma ho kwan say obi metina ho na whole tribe on use social media what is happening to you guys what for ye dey eti mo expense about the US one day money ma choro some choro ko Facebook say nipa we dey a certain tribe obi ato ba bia da bia won incite other tribes against them e dey ba no and the members of parliament amotia at the US embassy yes so be here there to say a whole tribe which has the tendency of erupting the tribal tensions you omo ka omo nyina ka omo tiafo no kwa oba ni omo de ne koba NDC for mo wi ni aba na wi e de ba biwa mo na mo hye Kevin Taylor achi ana mo ma Kevin Taylor ye de mo ye nyina mo wi ni aba wi e de ba biwa e de an time be e de ba no it looks like the only time will be a tribalistic and so obeka se me Asantini onidi obi atem kwaro ka so ya Asantini or tribalistic and you know so there yan kan si sudua me kwa free farm tie me ya Asantini be ma me de Kwame a free farm mensa me free Asante agona yes sechere na me free me nana ɛne me nana me nyame kɛseɛ ɛne santehene sɛ tutu yɛbɛka ne nnɛ yɛbɛka ne kyena yɛbɛka ne kyena akyi ɔnti ase a kɔ ne kɔ hage transformer ɛhye wate na kanya asɛm a me ka me nana sɛ tutu a ɔso ka wo deɛ na nya fɛ ɛdeɛ no wɔtan ne ani berɛ tantan saa na ɛdeɛ bɛ no ɛdeɛ bɛ no anaasɛ obiaa suro so wɔnka because the moment a wobɛka sɛ wokɔ kapɛ yɛso yɛ tribalistic are you people okay ɛdeɛ ne abuse yi you abuse people then you turn around and play the victim's card ɛdeɛ bɛ no you keep on abusing us and you turn around and play the victim's card ɛdeɛ bɛ no ɛdeɛ na moyɛ no saa da bɛn na asantini bi asɔre sɛ wɔkɔdidi ɛyɛ togo afɛ da atam because togo afɛ de developing ne kuro munja sa nneɛma no twɛdi ampo nhyira yɛ nyinaa ɔkyena yɛbɛsa de show abrɛ mu Friday anwummerɛ yɛbɛma baako this week yɛ pake mu why nsɛm no
Exaggerate adwuma me ɛwɔ comment section. Hi Penya Block Media. Accra.